Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my kitchen. So guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing fried cauliflower rice. Yes, it is fried rice except it doesn't have rice. It's got cauliflower instead. Guys, it is so good. It is amazing, and it's got a fraction of the carbs you get from eating the regular fried rice. It is awesome. It is amazing. So guys, if you want to learn how to make this awesomeness, then just keep watching. And while you're watching, don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video, leave comments down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Please do so right now. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video. So let's get cooking. So this is what we're gonna need: some mixed veggies, mushrooms, onions, red bell peppers, garlic and ginger, habanero pepper, of course, and some scallions. And of course, we're gonna need a cauliflower. So this is one head of cauliflower, and it's been washed and dried. And guys, so now I'm gonna just go ahead and cut it in half and peel off the stalks and the leaves, or whatever that is called. Just go ahead and just peel it all off. And so guys, today I'm gonna be using the box grater to create my cauliflower rice, just because I prefer the texture that this gives the cauliflower. Some people prefer to use the food processor, but I don't like the texture that has. It kind of mushes the whole thing up, but I love it when my cauliflower has some bites to it and it actually looks like grains of rice. So this is what it looks like. You can see it looks like grains of rice. It's not all mushy, gooey. That's the way I like it. So to a heated pan, I'm gonna go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of butter, just because I love butter and because butter makes everything taste good. So to this pan, I'm also gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, just to keep the butter from burning, and my sesame seed oil. Guys, do not skip out on the sesame seed oil, because that's what's gonna give it that awesome flavor. So I've added my onions to the pan, and I'm gonna stir fry my onions for just about 3 minutes until the onions begin to get soft and fragrant. Now I'm gonna add my mushrooms. So guys, today I'm keeping this vegetarian, but feel free to use shrimps or chicken or whatever kind of meat you want to use. Now I've added my ginger and my garlic, and I'm gonna stir fry this for just about 1 minute until the ginger and the garlic begins to get fragrant. And after that, add your mixed veggies and stir this all up and saute this for just about 2 minutes. Add your red bell peppers. Keep sauteing it, and at this point I'm gonna go ahead and season it with salt and some black pepper, just because I like to layer my flavors. So I'm gonna mix this all up really good, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my habanero pepper. I don't like to add my habanero peppers too early in the process because I don't want it to get too intense. The longer you cook it, the more intense it gets. So now I'm gonna create like a hole in the middle of my pan and add my eggs to it. So this is an easy way to do it. Just scramble your eggs right in the same pan. So you don't have to scramble it in a different pan and mix it all up. No, just do it in the same pan and scramble it all up, and then mix it with the veggies and move on to the next step. So guys, this is how I do it because it makes life so easy, okay? And that's one less pan to wash. So this is a 1-pan dinner, okay? So my eggs are all scrambled. I'm gonna mix it all up with the veggies, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my scallions. I like to add my scallions at this point because I don't want it to get overcooked. So last but not the least is the cauliflower, the star of the show. So this goes in, and then I'm gonna saute it for just about 2 minutes, because guys, you don't want to overcook your cauliflower. So stir gently and mix it all up really good. Keep it moving, guys, because you don't want it to get burnt, okay? That pan is really hot. So saute it until the cauliflower begins to get just a little bit soft. Then go ahead and add your soy sauce. So today I'm using low sodium soy sauce, but if you don't have it, use whatever you have. But the low sodium is better because that way you have greater control of the amount of salt that goes into your food. So mix this all up and let it cook for an extra 2 minutes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some salt and some extra black pepper and some thyme. So guys, you can skip on the thyme, but I love the aroma and the flavor that thyme gives cauliflower. So mix this all up, saute for 1 more minute, and your cauliflower fried rice is all done. It's so simple, guys. It is so simple. It's all done. So that's it, guys. Your fried cauliflower rice, guilt-free dinner is all set. all set. Okay, so try this, guys, and thank me later. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for supporting my channel. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the time to do that. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button and leave comments down below and let me know if there's a way to make this better. Also, share this video and like this video, guys, and let's keep moving. Okay. I love you guys. See you guys in the next video.